Hey guys, what's up? It's Ice Cream Sandwich, and this is my friend Kendall Bindle. Um, if you want to go friend her, go ahead. And yeah, she's pretty awesome. So, she's really sweet. She said this. She said, "You are the rarest and politest. I wish I was you. That's so sweet. So thank you." Um, and if you haven't noticed by the title. In today's video, we're going to be trying to get a sloth again. And sorry about my voice, I'm pretty tired. It's kind of early, but whatever. So let's go get started. Okay, so we're gonna see. I don't have it pasted anymore, so I'm gonna have to write it. Um, Wait a minute. I don't have my list up. Oh, and I got that. That's new. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my list, and let's hope. Monster. Oh, it's my monster tree, I guess. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little flat and not awake. That's kind of not really awake. Oh, and a fan. Two different fans gave me these. They're so cute, so thank you. And I think we're about ready to start trying to figure out who has a sloth. I love sloths, guys. Comment below if you love sloths. My list for a pet sloth identical. Okay. And thank you for everyone subscribed. Thank you so much. That means so much. That means so much to me. So thank you. Okay, so let's see if anyone has a pet sloth. I don't know if anyone does. I've only seen a dozen. I've only probably seen more than a dozen, which kind of sucks. I will give you anything from Spike Collar. I'm sorry. If she has a pet seal or otter, which I'm gonna check her now, then I will gladly. No. She doesn't have anything. Oh, I feel so bad now. Oh, I feel so bad. Dang it, I'm sorry. If you're watching this isn't anything against you. Just kinda don't really want any of your pets. So. Oh, and I'm also gonna be doing a little giveaway. My giveaway is going to be uh-oh. My giveaway my giveaway is going to be this little koala. You can't really see it, but its name is Princess Koala. All you have to do is comment, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. I just want to see you in the alerts, but do not spam the comments, please. And I'll pick someone and they'll get the koala. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. But back to getting these off. Sorry I keep coughing and stuff. My throat's just kind of dry. But it's okay. I always say hi. I always try to be nice. They do not have a sloth, but I'm still gonna talk to them. Because that's who I am. Let's see what's happening. Still work. Okay. No, okay, I'm gonna switch my message. I'm actually just gonna say Jag if deal. It'll be easier. Oh, no, thank you, Rosebar. I'm sorry. I really hope someone has one. I really, really want some. Really bad. But I don't have one. It's like, y'all are sorry, I was reading what this little monkey was saying. He said, y'all is gross. Yeah, not wrong. Oh, someone else's. Okay. Two people. Love it. Oh, it's Kindle Bindle again. Hi. What's up? You think she knows she's in it? Well, at least in part, I'm not sure. But she's in here. So, what up? How you? And then this cute little seal. It's kind of cracking me up. I really don't know what's going on right now. The only person I told was Kindle Bindle because she really wanted to be in it, or he, I don't know. But Kindle, are you making the vid now? Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, someone wrote me a little letter. Mini Wolf 101. I'll answer that later. I'm sorry. I try to respond to your letters, so if you write me, I'll try to respond. I'm just gonna respond now. Hey, manifest. She's just walking around my den while I'm filming. I don't get it. She keeps flying away. Hi, Kindle Bindle. I'm gonna go back to sloth hunting now. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Oh, my throat. I hate it. Oh, yes. Mini Wolf. LOL. Hi. Okay. That's okay. Sorry, one second. Putting in a fan thing. There. I'm back. Okay. So far, no one has a sloth in this kind of, because I really, really want one. So, this sucks. No one has one right now. It sucks because the people that do want to trade me and say jag, like jag me and stuff, or like come to my den saying they have one and they want to trade, they usually end up not having one. But if I find someone with one and then I ask them, they don't want to trade. So it's like I can never find someone with one that wants to trade. Ugh, sucks. But first world problems. So I don't. Anyway, oh, someone's zoomed in. Don't know who it is. Oh, hi. She doesn't know she's in the video. Haha. Oh, this was a person asking for the gray spike. I mean, silver. I didn't know if I had silver. Don't. Talk. Hello? Um, don't really know. Did I say hi? Yeah, I said hi. Good. I usually try to like wait and see if the person talks. If they don't, that's when I leave. Oh, hold on. I've been looking for someone. Would you like my list for it? Um, um, no, I'm really sorry. If you're watching my video, I'm sorry. Do you hear a weird shaking noise in the background? That's my hamster. If you don't, just ignore what I just said. Uh, um, so. Oh, okay, guys. Go follow, go friend Lost Someone Giraffe 11. It's my best friend, okay? And I, like, in real life, IRL. And also go and follow, go and friend, jeez, Velvet Lady 2. This is also my best friend. So, yeah, go check them out. And, yeah, uh, back to trying to get a sloth, I guess. Hmm, I'm dying inside. Um, sorry I keep saying, just I'm really tired and my throat really hurts. So, yeah. Anyway, see if anyone has a sloth. Anybody? Anyone? Does anyone have a sloth? Does anyone have a sloth? This is me being bold. Yeah, you're welcome. I think I should just go to a party. I'm gonna host a party and then cry. Here it is. This is my party. I'm gonna go cry now. Fine, fine, I won't keep. I think this is kind of a good spot to end the video. Um, I guess we're gonna do a part 3. So, let's do pet of the day. I'm just gonna turn into my wolf real quick. La 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 la. The pet of the day is my little chick, Speedy Toast. I think she is just so cute. She's just a little cooler. So anyway, that is my pet of the day, and love you guys.